Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings, then Screen Time. This gets you into the controls that enforce limits. Enter the screen time passcode or confirm with Face ID. Do this now so you can change rules. Once in, tap App Limits to see which categories are capped, and check Always Allowed to see exceptions. Make sure to note whether family sharing or a parent account manages this device, because permissions differ and you may need that account to proceed. Next, find the app or category you want to change and tap the limit entry. You can edit the daily time, days, or simply delete the limit to remove enforcement. If you prefer exempting instead, go to Always Allowed and add the app. This makes it ignore time limits instantly. Once done, double-check the remaining limits so you don't accidentally remove protections elsewhere. If family sharing controls limits, request the organizer to make these edits for you. Finally, confirm your edits and test the change by opening the app beyond the old cutoff. This verifies the app now ignores the former limit. If prompted, re-enter the screen time passcode to save edits. This is common when making permission changes. Make sure to sign into the parent or organizer account if limits persist under family sharing. If changes don't apply, restart the device and recheck settings. That fixes most sync or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.